Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Moto X40, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. To record calls, you need CubeACR app. I have it, but I will remove this app to show you how to install it and how to set it up. So open the Play Store and find here CubeACR application. Of course, you can use any other automatically call recorder app, but if you want to use ACR app for free, you can use CubeACR because you can use this app completely for free. Then click Open, click Next, grant permissions and grant all permissions this application need. Then click Enable App Connector, find here in accessibility mode CubeACR App Connector and click Enable it. Allow. Allow. Okay, go it. Allow. No thanks. You don't need to provide the location access to this app. And great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded using CubeACR application. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.